Hello everyone. Since CPABUILD has removed the templates section where you can no longer upload a template and use it on your website, even the private ones that you create, I'm going to create this tutorial on how to use your custom locker with your template. First and foremost, you'll need hosting, a domain, and a template. The templates we provide will consist of several files and a folder. To begin, we have to generate the code from the locker we created on CPABUILD. You'll need to paste the script at the end of the head tags in the HTML. Additionally, you'll require a button with an on-click event. Edit the index file using Notepad++. Afterwards, log in to the cPanel of your hosting and navigate to the File Manager. Under your website's directory, you can create a folder with a name. For the purpose of this tutorial, let's call it NBA 2K24. Upload the files into this folder and you'll be all set. For more tutorials, check out the latest content on our channel. Thank you for watching, and have a productive and enjoyable day.